Hi, this is Jim at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. We've got a 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport powered with a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. It's got the safety rail and chain, gray interior with a black fence rail, blackout package. Although this is categorized as a used boat, the boat never left the showroom when it was purchased, and the customers decided to buy another boat in another color, but it was already titled in their name, so we have to categorize it as a used boat. If you're interested in this boat, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Another thing that the boat has are underwater lights that we installed. It's not a factory option offered by Harris, but it does have underwater lights already installed on the unit. Give us a call, again, 704-997-2168. I'm Jim Pinkham.